All right, number 5. There are parameters in a problem a and b, and the variable is x. So we're actually solving the equation for the letter x. And let's put this down. So what do you get? You get x squared, and then you're going to get plus 3bx. Let's put the next one going to be plus, a little more complicated, 2ax plus 6ab. Yeah, it's more complicated. Plus x squared minus 3bx minus 2ax plus 6ab. And what's that equal to? Well, that x squared, got to jam it in there, 4a squared plus 9b squared. So I'm going to, simplify the left side, and I'm kind of looking at it, x squared, looks like 2x squared, right? I'll put that down. Well, that's not so bad. Let's look at the 3bx, and that's gone. That's good news. This is gone, more good news. And then I get plus 12ab. And that's what I get on the right side, the left side. Then what I get on the right side is x squared plus 4a squared plus 9b squared. Well, I'm going to take x squared from both sides and get this. And then I'm going to collect the terms on the other side. And what would that give you? That would give you 4a squared minus 12ab plus 9b squared. But I'm not opposed to you saying x is plus or minus the root of that, but I'm kind of looking at that, and it sure does look familiar, doesn't it? And it looks like 2a minus 3b quantity squared. All right? Let's see what that gives you. That would give you 4a squared in the front, 9b squared in the back, and then you're going to get minus 6, minus 12. Yeah, it worked beautifully. So what's x going to be equal to? Well, a little complicated, isn't it? It's plus or minus the square root of 2a minus 3b squared. All right? Let me take the root of that. Again, I'm not too worried about what 2a minus 3b is, but that's a concern if I don't know the parameters in the problem. But we're kind of taking a simpler approach to it. So plus or minus, and that would be 2a minus 3b. And that's one answer. Somebody else could you write it differently? Well, you could. You could say plus or minus 2a, and then it would be minus plus. It's the order of it, 3b. That's another way to write it down. By the way, I really think the safest thing to do in the problem, believe it or not, is to simply say x equals plus or minus the root 4a squared minus 12ab plus 9b squared. Right? It's the safest thing you could do. All right? Now, if you really want to go further than that, you could do something else. But I'll be honest with you, once you start to remove the root, you're really having some troubles about if it's really accurately represented by what we said it is. All right? But anyway, I see the answer over here. Thank you.